Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and if you're trying to find the fuses, guys, for your fog lights, okay, you actually have two fuses, one for the left fog light, one for the right fog light. Stay with us and we'll explain, guys, where they're located and how to get to them. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, we make at least, guys, 200 videos, including this generation Dodge Dart. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need help with anything else, let us know, leave a comment below. And if you want to save even more money, you can, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where we buy all the parts and tools for a super good price, fast shipping as well. So I'll go ahead, open the hood, guys, and explain where that fuse is located. Actually, you have two of them. You have three fuse boxes, so we'll show you how this one is a little bit hidden, guys. So if the fog lights, okay, on the right or the left, right or left, do not work on your Dodge Dart, guys, check these fuses. It could be just one being out, it could be both of them, sometimes it could be a bad bulb, okay, so check the bulb. But in our case, guys, we'll show you where the fuse is located too. You have, guys, one fuse right here, one fuse box right here under the hood, but this fuse actually for the fog lights, it's not here, guys, it's inside the car. So let me show you now where it's located. We need to go right here, guys, and you can see under the steering wheel we have that cover removed. Why? Because simply, guys, okay, here now we need to access a fuse box on the BCM, on the body control module, that's located right there. You can see how it's hidden. So very hidden, guys, box, but that's what we need to do. And if you want to see how to remove that cover, we have the video on the channel, guys, check it out. It's called fuse box location on Dodge Dart. Just search for it and you will be able to find it. Now what I'm going to do, we'll have somebody hold the cables here, okay, and show you where the fuses are located. You have two fuses. The one for the right fog light, guys, is the fifth fuse, okay, the fifth fuse from bottom to top on the very left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this fuse right here, this is the one, okay, for the right fog light. Okay, let me see if I can focus there so you can see a little bit better. Okay, this fuse right there, this is the one for the right fog light. The one above it, the sixth fuse, this is the one for the left fog light. So you can see where they're located, right, left fog light. Starting from bottom to top on the left side, the fifth one is the right fog light, the sixth one is the left fog light. And if you need to buy, guys, any replacement fuses, you can find the link in the description of the video below. We have the whole fuse box here for a super good price, so check it out, guys, to see where we bought ours from. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure it out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.